Hello again. So let's continue with where we left off with the baby names. We looked at the name John and we saw that it was present in both females and males, and we looked at the trend from 1880 to 2008, and we saw that the females with the name John has gone down. So let's continue to explore this dataset. Baby names. Actually, I want to look at. I want to ask the question: which names over all times are the most popular? So let's have a look at that. So we have the N, and I want to aggregate by the N. So I want to do a group by. I want to group by. I want to have per sex. So I want to group by name. No, actually, I want to group by year and sex. No, I want to do it because I want to look at all times. I want to have do it like this, and then I want to aggregate, and I want to say total sum of names, and that is going to look at the column N, and it's going to take the sum like that. So the sum. And then I want to reset the index. And then I think I want to sort it just out. So James Young, okay. The thing is now, if I just look at the top 20, I see that it's mostly males here in the top. I want to have, say, 10 from females and 10 from males. And it's hard to do that in clean or in pandas. Fortunately, my package pandstat has a function called top n, which lets you take the column. So we want to have sex. We want to look, so column is sex. We want to weight this by the total sum name, and we want, I don't know, top 12 column. So now we have the top 12 in male, top 12 in females. That's pretty nice. Let's make a bar plot out of it. This a faceted bar plot. So from pandstats again, altair plot, type bar. Want on code. On the x-axis, I want the name as a nominal. On the y-axis, I want the total sum name as quantity. It's not called name, is it? Come on. Okay, that's what's wrong here. Name. So on the x-axis, no. I want to have it the other way around, of course. On the x-axis, I want the total sum name. And on the y-axis, I want name as a nominal. Okay. Altair plot. bar. On the x-axis, I want the total sum names. Misspelled it. Okay. And on the y-axis, I want the name like that. Although I want to split them by sex, so I want to do a facet graph by sex. This is looking a little bit funky, and that's because I need to resolve axis y. I need to be independent, like it. Independent. Is it resolve axis scale, perhaps? No, like that. And I want to sort them in each category here. So I want to sort the y-axis, and I want to do it by alt encoding sort field, and I want to sort by the total sum. But I want to have it in reverse order. Descending. Like that. And I want to have a color as well. I want the color by sexes. Yes, let's skip the legend. Okay, so that's pretty cool actually. So the top female name over all time. Top names all time for male. Nice. So top female name is Mary. Actually, maybe I want to have, yeah, yes, we can keep it like, or should we have male and female? Actually, I'm gonna throw in a here. I'm gonna have sex equals to, if it's called F, or if it's called then if it's F female, it's M male. Select. Oh yeah, nice. So pretty nice graph actually. So let's keep it like that. So now you have seen me use the top end from pandstat. You have seen me use altair plot. That's pretty nice. Cool. See you.